All right, guys, so I always get asked, how do you make the Cuban coffee? Well, let me show you. So first, I'm gonna get my cafetera, which is a traditional Italian coffee maker. I'm gonna open it, put some water in there, and we're gonna fill it right up to just below the little pressure release valve. There, perfect. Next step, put this guy in here. We're gonna get our spoon and we're gonna put the coffee into the filter. We just wanna pack it lightly. We don't wanna pack it in too hard because that might not let the water filtrate through effectively. Make sure you get it off of the edges because if not, the seal will not close properly and water will go out the edges. Then we close our lid. So now that we have our top closed, we're gonna come here, turn on our heat. There we go, put it on high, and we're gonna put the coffee there to start burning. Now, while we're doing that, we're gonna get our 2 little cups. Very important, you have to make what they call la espumita. So to do that, we're gonna open up our sugar. For this size, I like to do about 2 teaspoons. Generous teaspoons. And now it's a waiting game till the coffee starts coming up. Okay, so now you see how the first black tart looking coffee is coming out? We're gonna get that and we're gonna put a little bit of that into our sugar. Just a little bit like so. 1 and 2. We're gonna put it back on the flame and this is where the magic happens. We grab our spoon, a good sturdy spoon, and we start really grinding it down there. We start really stirring it so we get like a paste with a little bit of coffee and the sugar. And right here it's a little bit on the dry side, so I'm gonna get a little more coffee, very little bit, just to there we go, just to wet it a little bit, just to allow us to really create this paste that's gonna be all the, what they call espumita, all the foam. There we go. Oh yeah. And then when I'm done with that one, I'm going to clean out the spoon with the coffee and then go to the next one. Now that we have the base for our espumita, we're gonna get our coffee and just top it off. There we go, yeah, a little bit there. Try to keep it equal sizes here, equal portions. There we go. We stir it up a little bit. Stir this one up a little bit. And then we'll put our little cups and ready to serve. Salud! Enjoy.